Hey guys, this is Shubham here from C, and in today's video we're going to check out the Android P developer preview 4 for the OnePlus 6. So let's get this party started. So I have flashed this ROM since the morning and I have been using this as my daily driver since then, and I found this ROM really smooth and nice as compared to the previous developer preview 3, and I feel like this ROM is almost ready to be used as a daily driver because I've not found any major issues with this ROM. So let's quickly jump into the settings and about section. We head over to about phone. As you can see, the Android version, it says 9 as of now, as compared to the previous developer previews. It used to say P. The P Easter egg is still present right there. And let's jump into some tweaks or mods which OnePlus has added. The first is the theme. You can choose a light theme or a dark theme. So this is the same as it was on previous Oxygen OS versions. And this time the major change is that you can choose accent colors. Apart from these, you can also create your own color and use it as your accent color. As you can see, you can do that right here and just check it and say OK, and your new accent color will be applied. Apart from this, everything is same as it was on the previous Oxygen OS, which was running on Android Audio. The utilities stuff now includes the new gaming mode, the parallel apps. Yeah, the gaming mode is almost same as it was in Android Audio. So the notification panel is what changed the most. I mean, the full UI is changed the most. We're not having all this rounded UI. So this is the new recent app panel, recent apps, recent menu, whatever. So yeah, this is slightly looking like the one on Pixel 2, I think now, but it's not just the same. The navigation gestures work just the same as they used to do on previous Oxygen OS, so you do not need to worry about that. So everything else is almost same. To install this ROM, just head over to system updates, and I will leave a link in the description to download the update zip, and you have to move it to your root and just install it by selecting it from here. So that's it. You do not have to wipe any data for this. I've installed it without wiping data and it works just fine. So the camera app is what everybody is asking about. So yeah, the camera app is improved a bit from the previous developer previews. So the 4K 60 FPS works, and stabilization works quite decent, and yeah, it is fairly usable. As you can see, the stabilization does work decently, so it is kind of usable in every situation you want to record a video. So yeah, that's it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you hit the thumbs up and do not forget to hit that subscribe button if you like the content. And with that being said, I'm Master, and I will see you guys the next time. Bye bye.